Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hannah. Today I am currently on my knees because I just wanted to start off the video. I am gonna share all the things that I packed for my trip to Florida that I went on with my mom and my sisters last week. It was just such a nice trip to spend a lot of time with them, so I didn't film or take a lot of pictures during the week just because I really wanted to be present and in the moment with my mom and my sisters. But I still wanted to share what I brought to wear because I know spring break is coming up in the springtime, and these are a lot of spring and summer outfits because I was in Florida. So I thought it would be just fun to share what I packed. But the trip already happened. I'm back now and it was such an amazing time. It was so good to spend some good quality time with them, so let's get right into the video. So here is the first outfit that I packed, and please excuse the wind. It is so windy out today. It was so sad coming from sunny weather to, first of all, snow. It snowed this morning here, and freezing cold weather. So love that for me. But I'm happy that I did get some summer in March already. So this is one of the outfits that I packed just because it's still, I feel like in Florida some days are hot and then you don't know what you're getting. We went to Cocoa Beach, so it's not fully South Florida. So we didn't know if it was gonna be like chilly at night. So I wanted to pack one pair of jeans just to be sure, or just in case it is chilly. And I tend to get cold very easily, especially in restaurants, so I wanted to make sure I had some good jeans. So I packed my Still Here jeans in the bone color because it felt very summery with the cream. And then this is a top from Sew the Label. I got it forever ago, like I want to say like 2 or 3 years ago. And I just think it's so cute for the summertime. It looks good with a pair of jeans shorts, a skirt. It's just a good throw on top, and it actually has straps, but I actually just pulled them back and I tied it underneath and then just let these strings hang down, which I think looks cute because I wanted it to be a strapless. I didn't want it to have like a halter neck with this look. And I just paired my Havana flip-flops. Literally I brought 3 pairs of shoes other than my sneakers. I brought 2 pair of my Havana flip-flops, my black pair and my white, and then 1 pair of kitten heels. That's literally all I needed. I live in these flip-flops and they are such an affordable price. They're $26, so if you need a really good pair of flip-flops for the summertime, these are perfect because I wore them to the beach because they're rubber so they can get wet, and they also look really cute with outfits. So love these so much. I wore them all last summer and I know I'm gonna wear them all this summer too. But yeah, super simple outfit, and all of my outfits are super simple I feel like, but I just really wanted to feel very summery and flowy, and yeah, and I feel like this achieves that. So this is my first look that I packed. I didn't actually wear this outfit, but I really liked it, and yeah, love it. Okay, this next outfit, I honestly wear this dress as like a cover-up, or if right after the beach, if we're just like hanging out, I'll just throw this on. It's just so comfy. I'd even wear this out to dinner. This is like kind of like an everything throw-on dress, but I love wearing it as a cover-up because it's just very flowy and easy, and I love it. This is one of my vintage pieces, and I actually hemmed it. It was also like really big and I got it fitted more to my size. I just love the detail in the top and how just flirty and girly it looks. I don't know if this will be up before my vintage finds for this Sunday, episode 8, but this is the dress that I was talking about in a lot of the tops and dresses that I found. This was what I was referencing. And as you can see, the detail, I don't know if you can see it as well, but the detail in the top, I can't tell if it's blurry. Hopefully it's not blurry, but the detail in the top is just stunning with the little pink bow. I love it so much. I like the pink bow detailings on the side. My light came off, hold on. Sorry, my light just went out, but I just absolutely adore it. It's so cute and just the detail is just unreal. But yeah, this was definitely something that I always pack on vacation. It's just super easy and something I can wear for like any different type of occasion. But I love it as a cover up for the beach. And again, my white Havanas, I live in these and the black ones, but I mostly wore the white ones this trip. I just like them with a lot of the things I've had on. But yeah, super simple dress. These kind of dresses are perfect for vacation because they're so easy. These like cotton, just like slip dresses, so easy to throw on, and I'm obsessed. Okay, this is one of the outfits that I brought for dinner. I just like this whole silk moment. If we were going somewhere a little bit nicer, I felt like this would be perfect. I always bring like a more casual outfit and then like a couple casual and some fancier just in case. I just want to be prepared. But I love this. I know the silk colors are a little bit different, but I still thought it went really nice together. And I also loved how the tank like laid on the skirt. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see. But this one's more of a pale yellow and this is more of like a champagne color. But I still was obsessed with how it looks, I think. And I love the detail in the top. This again is a vintage silk tank that I found in LA, and then this is old from Reformation. I have a top that's very like the exact same thing. It wasn't sold as a set, but it's also from Reformation that I usually wear with this skirt, but it's long sleeve, so I thought this would be really, really pretty with it. I don't know. I think I like it. And then for shoes, these are the kitten heels that I brought, just these ones that I got from Italy, because with the color in the top part, I thought I would just go with so many things and would just be the only kind of kitten heels that I would need if I were to wear them. This is the only outfit that I actually would wear them with that I brought, I think. Everything else goes perfect with a pair of flip-flops, which is amazing. I love that. But yeah, I just thought this would be a really like summery and fun dinner outfit, especially for the summertime. I just love silk and I love how it flows and how breathable it is and comfortable. I think it's just the perfect, like after a long day at the beach when you're in the sun, you want to feel very light and able to like breathe. You don't want to feel like your clothes are sticking to you, and I feel like this is like the perfect thing for that. So yeah, I love this. Okay, another thing that I love to bring on a vacation or a trip is a cuter like loungewear set that's still like comfy but not too warm, and I think this one is perfect. This is the Lisette set that I got for Christmas and I'm obsessed with it. I also can wear these separate as well, which I love. But this and one other piece is the only thing I actually got, only outfit I actually got a photo in. So I'll insert that here, but I lounged around this and then I actually got coffee in it in the morning, and I love how you can go from like lounging around to like going to get coffee or something like that and still like feel cute and hopefully look cute. But yeah, I just love this. I love the detail in the top. Hopefully you can see it once the lighting readjusts. But I love the little detail. I feel like you can see it in the top and pants. I love that it's a set. I just think that's so cute and I just loved it. I loved it for the beach. I feel like this is a very like beachy loungewear set or like a summer loungewear outfit, and it's so comfortable. Like I sleep in this too when it's like really cold. So yeah, love it. And I always have this, and I always bring a pair of sweatpants. I'm not going to show because they're just sweats, but sweatpants and a sweatshirt to the beach because you just want to be comfy and cozy when you're just indoors or like after you take a shower from the beach. just to wrap up in like a comfy sweatshirt is like key, or like this feels so good. So yeah, love this look. Okay, these Durf Avenue cloud pants are a must for me on a trip because they're just so comfy, they're flowy, they just are super comfortable when some days you don't feel great or maybe you're just like not confident that day. I always bring these because they always like fit and they look good and I feel good in them and I feel comfortable. I hate going to dinner and going somewhere and not feeling comfortable. So these are just something that I bring always because the silky material, they look nice but they feel like pajamas, so it's key for a trip. And then I just paired it with this like off the shoulder maroon brown color top. Thought it was a little bit different for me and feels very summery, and I just love the off the shoulder look. So I would wear this to dinner, I would wear this like out and about. Yeah, it's just another good option for the summertime. I love putting silk tops with like a basic tank like this. I do that a lot. I've been to Florida, like I went 2 times last year and then I just went last week, and I brought these every single time and I wore them every single time. I just love them. They're super comfortable and they just work with everything. So yeah, these are a must. And then I just really like this tank with it. I thought it was different for me. And then again, my Havana flip-flops, always. And I'll come a little closer so you can see the detail in the top. I don't know where the top is from, but I'll link it if I can down below. These are Durf Avenue and then Havana flip-flops. This is another piece or set that I always bring on vacation. It's the Breezy set from Durf Avenue. I live in this on vacation. It's just everything. It's so comfortable, it's so breezy, hence the name, the Breezy set. But this top, or the Breezy button down, I wear as a cover up to the beach all the time. It literally still smells like the beach because I wore this a lot since I got so burnt. I really had to cover up, but these pants are so comfortable. I lounge around in this outfit. I don't know, run around, go to things. It's just the best on vacation. You really can't go wrong. And I love the black. It's very chic looking. It's so cute. I wore it so much when I went to Florida last summer. I lived in this, like lived in it. I love it so much. You can't go wrong. This is probably one of my favorite things from Durf Avenue is these button downs, and then just like this set in general. I've definitely got my money's worth because it's just so comfy and it will just never get old. Like, it's something you'll always wear. So yeah, I love it. And I have my black Havana flip-flops on this time. So yeah, this is another outfit that I'm always packing on a vacation trip with me. It's a must. Okay, this is my last outfit and probably the outfit I was most excited to wear, so I definitely took some photos in this look. I made sure of it, so I'll put those right here, but I am obsessed with this look. I think it's so summery and vacation vibe. It's just everything, and I've been dying to wear this top. It's the Lauren Manoogian, totally butchered that, top that I got for Christmas. I'm obsessed with it. It's actually everything. And then this skirt, I have been wanting to wear this skirt as a skirt for so long, but I've always worn it as a dress. You'll probably recognize it now with the rouge detailing. I'll usually wear the rouge detailing right here and just have it as like a midi dress. But it's actually supposed to be a skirt, and I just loved how this laid over it and then hid the rouge. So it just looks like a simple linen white skirt. I've been wanting a white linen skirt for so long, just can't find one I love. So I liked how I was able to kind of pair these together, and I love how it lays and kind of rolls up at the end. I'm just obsessed with it. I love it so much. I think it's so cute and just so flowy and summery and cute again. I'm obsessed with this look. It's definitely my favorite, and I just paired it with my white Havana flip-flops, and yeah, I love this outfit. And I'm definitely going to be wearing this so many more times in the summer when it gets warm, or even the spring. Hopefully it's warm enough in the spring to wear this because that would be incredible. But I'm just so excited to wear this again because I just loved it so much. I felt very confident and good in it, so yeah, definitely a favorite. But those are all the outfits that I packed for my trip to Florida that I went on last week. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, love you.